Hi, everybody, and welcome to Nailed It Intuition and Tarot. This is Torch. I am doing another unboxing for you all today of this beautiful deck called When Women Had Wings. I just picked this up from the store, so I wanted to show you all. You'll probably be seeing this deck in a reading coming up in the future, so thank you all so much. It's still got the plastic on it, so I'll go ahead and take it off so we can see this pretty deck. I got it from this store in Houston, Texas called Body, Mind, Soul, and they sell all these decks open book, so you can look at them before you purchase them. So anyway, this is written by Angie Sullins and the artwork is by Gina Della Grottalia. Beautiful. Okay, and this is the box, right? Let's take this off. Oh, there we go. Oh, cute little bag here. It's fun. Okay, so here is the guidebook. And these are the decks. Oh, look at that pretty Ace of Cups at the bottom of the book. Let me see, is anything in here? Yeah. Okay, you may not be able to see or touch them. You may have lost your memory of them altogether, but you do indeed have wings. They may be fluttering just under the surface of your skin or folded deep in the realm of your psyche. They may be crumbled or torn, lying tattered in the well of despair, but they are as real as your breath and as necessary. Yes. And y'all may not know this, but my absolute favorite color is purple. So I am in love with this already. I don't think I need to go through this. I mean, oh, look at this. These pictures are so vivid in this book. I love that. Okay, I'm not gonna go through the whole thing, but I do want to show y'all these cards. So let me cut this open here. Okay. And look at this pretty purple foil on these cards. Isn't that gorgeous? Do you see how it catches the light? That makes me so happy. Okay, here we go. When Women Had Wings. So we have the Fool, the Magician, the High Priestess, the Empress, the Emperor, love the representation, the Hierophant, the Lovers, the Chariot. You know, I'm going to turn these over because I want to see the purple backs. Okay, the Strength card, the Hermit, the Wheel, Justice, the Hanged One. Oh, love that. Death, Temperance. That's a beautiful card. The Devil, the Tower, blew it up. The Star, the Moon, the Sun. Ooh, pretty. Okay, Judgment. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Raisin coming up from the dead. The World. Oh, she's pregnant. You know what? Let me double back. I want to take a quick look again at the Empress. Okay, let's see. The Empress. Okay, she's not pregnant. That's interesting, right? I'll have to read what it says, why she's not pregnant. Okay. So maybe this is taking, I don't know, maybe she's not pregnant. Maybe she's just fat. I don't know. Oh, voluptuous. Okay. Ace of Wands, Two of Wands. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so those are the wands, but she has wings, okay. 3 of Wands. A lot of these have wings. 4 of Wands, 5 of Wands, 6 of Wands, 7 of Wands, 8 of Wands, 9 of Wands. Let me see, check out her face. It's very nice. Okay. 10 of Wands. Oh, this is so 10 of Wands, right? Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Okay. No actual knight in here. Queen and King of Wands. All right. Here's the Ace of Swords. 2 of Swords. Okay. 3 of Swords. Love this. It's very clear what this means. 4 of Swords. 5 of Swords. 6 of Swords. 7 of Swords. Let's see. She's got a little smirk on her face. 8 of Swords. Yeah, okay. 9 of Swords. And 10 of Swords. All right, so the Page, little baby. The Knight. Okay, so the Knights aren't present in here. They didn't give faces to them. The Queen of Swords. Wow, she looks like a crone, right? And the Knight, the King of Swords. All right, Cups. Here's the Ace. 2 of Cups. 3 of Cups. There's just one person in here. Okay. 4 of Cups. 5. 6. I guess, okay, that does look like a baby. Okay. 7. Nice. 8. 9. Oh, I love her. And 10. Nice. Okay, so no family, but yeah. You can have 10 cups all on your own. You go, girl. Okay, Page. The Knight of Cups. Here is the Queen and the King. Wow. Oh, the blue, the water. Love it. Okay. And last but not least, the Pentacles. It's the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Most of these cards just seem to have a main character in them and not multiple people. Okay, the 8, 9. Wait, let me look at that 7 again. 7. Okay. 9. 10. This got a couple people in it. And then the Page, the Knight. I like this Knight of Pentacles. The Queen. Oh, look at her. Look at him. Love that. Okay. So I want to show you, I want to give these cards a shuffle. Oh, let me just put this in here. Ugh. You guys know I have to do things a certain way. If you've been watching me long enough. Okay. shuffle them that way. Let me also shuffle them this way. Oh, these feel good. These feel good. These feel really good. And the cardstock is pretty decent. And I think what I'm going to like most is about shuffling them like this, because they feel really good. The cards just slide right out. Love it. Love it. They're real loose. Not sticking at all. Okay. So you all will probably see this deck pretty soon. We'll see what kind of messages we can get off of it. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Take care. Bye.